So, you want to know how to use your Dispo FX lens. It's easy, let me show you. First, we're going to remove the lens caps, and they're magnetic so they'll stick to each other for your convenience. The mount works just like any other lens, so just align the indicators and rotate until it locks into place. To focus the lens, you'll rotate the focus ring. So to make it easy, we set up 3 focus modes: macro for up close, portrait for mid-range, and landscape for long distances. You'll feel a feedback every time you rotate the focus ring, so all you have to remember is to rotate all the way to the right for macro, the middle for portrait, and all the way to the left for the landscape. After you pick your focus distance, you're good to start shooting. If your lens isn't working with your camera, be sure to check that release shutter without lens is enabled in your camera settings. And there you go. That's how you use the Dispo FX lens. Now be sure to tag us on Instagram and TikTok with @dispo.fx when you shoot with our lens.